Tropical storm Lorenzo. On October 10th, a tropical wave merged into the tropical line, passing south of Cape Verde. But produced a widespread disorganized shower and thunder as it moved northwestward over the next few days. The disturbance became better organized late on October 12th, producing tropical storm force winds along with a large burst of deep convection. Early the next morning, the system was single designated tropical storm Lorenzo, moving northwestward. The next morning, yes, moving northwestward, Lorenzo attained sustained winds of 60 miles per hour late that same day. The storm became embedded in a shared dry environment on October 14th. However, causing it to weaken. As a result of the reverse atmospheric conditions, the storm later struggled to produce organized convection and maintain a close circulation. And on October 15th, Lorenzo descended into a remnant low over the open eastern link. Here's a picture on the 14th. Here's the track. Um, it was maximum sustained wind. It was 60 miles per hour. Uh, it lasted between October 15th and October 15th. And here's a loop I made on October 12th, early on October 12th, between 0 and 4 UTC. Already you could really see an LSC was forming convection over it. Here is the 2 near that time frame, only 40%, which is bullshit. I would be going at least 70%. I mean, but what do you expect from the AC? Here's the AAM one, 40%. Here's 8 to 13 UTC on the 12th. Clear LC. I think it was a tropical storm. I think you could argue it was already a tropical storm at this point. I mean, but not long afterwards, the LC moved out from the convection midday on the 12th. They kept it 40% for 2 p.m. Raised it to 60% at 8 a.m. on the 12th. Here's the AS sketch, clearly showing the LSC, which we already knew for like 12 to 15 hours. I mean, here's 2 a.m. on the 13th, 70-80. Finally, they were seeing the obvious, 900 miles west of the Cape Verde Islands. They literally need a scat to look at the obvious. Convection blown over it, over the center. It became much better organized. 10 to 12 UTC on the 13th. It was a 2000 recorded tropical system in the hurricane database in the Atlantic. Yeah. Here's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 UTC. Here's up to 22 UTC. Clear tropical storm. Yeah. There's a backwave image of it. Yeah, some 45 knot winds on that AS cat. Here's when it started going to shit. I mean, early on the 14th. Sheer SAL. Try to blow convection over the LSC. Midday on the 14th. Yeah. Well, that's what we have.